Hello, in this lesson we will be solving a composition of functions problem. I first want you to understand what the notation means. Function composition means we work from the inside out. And so here we have this expression h of g inverse of 5, and I'll set that equal to, and this written as h of g inverse of 5. All right, and so first I must find g inverse of 5. So we have to look for g inverse of 5. And so to find g inverse of 5, I have to look for where 5 is an output of g. So what do? I take a look at the ordered pairs of g, as you can see here. And I see that g of -1 is equal to 5. And so what does this mean? Well, it means that g inverse of 5 equals -1. So let me go ahead and write that. G inverse of 5 is equal to -1. So what do I do with the -1 now? Well, I have to substitute this value into h. So take a look here. We have this equation, h of x equals 3x minus 4. So where you see the x, you're going to place -1 there. So let's go ahead and do that. And so we have h of -1 equals 3 times -1 minus 4. And so all we have to do is simplify it. And so we see that -3 minus 4 equals -7. Final answer. So I would like to leave you with this, and that is when functions are given as ordered pairs, as you've seen here, you do not create a formula for the inverse. You simply read the pairs carefully, as we've done, to find the inverse value. So with that, keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.